Guys, dahil duty na naman ng Core Delta, tayo ay magtatanong ng most challenging subject for year audition. Most challenging subject.
Research.
Most challenging subject.
Evidence.
Lie and Gen Chem. Lie.
Evidence.
Research.
Criminal law.
Evidence. Subject? Evidence. Anong subject? Lahat. Lahat mahirap.
Research 2. Hirap talaga yun. Nakasira ng ulo. Maging vlogger tayo. Maging vlogger tayo dito.
PI na lang.
TLG. Area. Oo, lahat.
Research.
TLG area.
Lahat doon?
Krimlo. Book 1 and 2.
Isang subject lang.
Wala din eh.
Wala din eh. Yung challenging.
Wala din.
Kantin ang subject na pinakamadali.
Mga subject.
PI. Then Shakalay.
Research 2.
Most challenging subject.
Research 2.
Most challenging subject.
Criminal law.
PI. Most challenging subject.
Pasar. Pasar. Marunong ako. Gusto mo, siting kita? Siting kita?